How to change the collection page URL handle in Shopify. Hey everyone and welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I'll show you step by step how we can do so. It is actually going to be very easy and simple to do, so let's just go ahead and get to it. So basically what we are going to be changing is the URL of the, or at least handle of the actual collection. So we can just go back to products here and access collections. And we can just go ahead and use this one as our demonstration here and click on view. And we can actually see it's going to be the link to our Shopify store / collections and then the handle of the actual collection, which is colors in this case, because we have plenty of colors. So we want to change that so it says something else, and we can actually do it very easily. So go ahead and open up your collections and open up the collection that you want to change the URL handle to, or for, I mean. And once you open it up, all you need to do is just go and scroll down to the bottom. Once you scroll down to the bottom, the thing that we want to have access to is search engine listing. Here we can actually feel free to change the handle. So click on this edit icon or the pencil icon that says edit. Click on that. And then you will find page title, which is the meta page title. Same goes for the meta description, which is just going to show up for our Google search. But most importantly, here we have the URL handle. Now you can't really change the collections. We can't change the website .com. Obviously, but we can just change the handle. So we can say something else. So for example, let's just name this collection test. Oh, sorry about that. Let's just go ahead and do, okay. Let's just highlight it and just do test. This way it's going to actually work. So click on save. And now it actually should say test instead of colors. So let's just go and view it one more time. And sometimes it does take a little bit of time to change. So you can actually see we have now the site.com / collections / test, which is now changed. So the title is not matching with the actual handle now. So you can feel free to also change the title if you want to, obviously from here. You can just go ahead and name it test if you want to match the URL handle. And same goes for the meta page title if you want to change that. Click on save one last time and you're pretty much good to go. We should have a new handle for our collection, and also the title, it should actually change to test. Let's just go ahead and restart the page. Refresh the page one more time. It did not load in. It does take a little bit of time, like I said, but it should say test. Next time we should go. So this is pretty much all that you need to know when it comes to, there you go, when it comes to changing the URL handle for your collection. So hopefully you found this video to be helpful, and thanks for watching.